if I'm this excited about a human hair wig, if I come on here grinning like that, y'all know where I got the human hair from. Nadula. I absolutely love them. They're one of my most favorite human hair wig manufacturers. If you look in that description box, I'm gonna put that direct link to the wig that I ordered because I can't. Why I keep going in and out? I can't remember all the details on this unit because I ordered so much hair, but it'll be down in the description box. While you're down there, click subscribe if you aren't. All right, so y'all know every video from Nadula, I start off talking about how much I love this little iridescent bag. I keep everything in this bag. Computer supplies, wig supplies, they all around my house. So I absolutely love that little bag that the wigs come with. They also come with your standard silk storage sack as well, okay? All right, all I did was take this out of the shipping packaging because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. Let's see what we ordered. I don't even remember getting this. All right, so, but I do know that every single time Nadula is gonna come through with the extras. So they gave me a brush with their branding on it. This little box. It's a little herringbone necklace. It also has their name on it. This big bow that I've been wearing in just about any Nadula wig because I love that bow. They gave us an edge band with their name on it. We have 2 packs of stocking caps and another edge band with their name on it. So all very cute little extras as you spend your coin. All right, so I'm just gonna read the details about this wig directly off the packaging, but like I said, I'll be sure to put it in the description box as well. This wig is a body wave. It is 24 inches long, and it's a 7x5 bye-bye-knots wig by Nadula Hair. I have reviewed this wig in probably every single style and texture you can think of, whether it was Jackie straight, whether it was water wave, whether it was blonde. I just did the blonde 412. I absolutely love these bye-bye-knots wigs, and this is why I love the bye-bye-knots wigs. Y'all look, everything comes pre-done for you. There is nothing that I'm going to have to do. Y'all know I could never get these cute little bouncy curls like this on my own ever in life. Let's look at the cap construction. So you get a 7x5 parting space, which is perfect for me. You can pull some up, down, you know, left, right, center, just enough without having to do all the extra stuff. You get a comb in the back, some adjustable straps, and you get the slots for our glueless band that we're going to attach. That makes this wig truly a throw and go, okay? If you look at that hairline, look how that's been pre-done for you. Look, y'all, nothing to do. Nothing to do. I'm going to attach this band, and then we'll comb out these curls. I want you to see what it looks like straight out of the pack. That is so pretty. Straight out of the pack, I want you to see what this looks like on my head. Then I'll brush out the curls, and I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. Y'all, this is exactly why Nadula Hair will forever be my most favorite human hair wig company. They just deliver great quality, affordable hair, beginner friendly hair. I have no words. All I had to do was plop this bad boy on my head, and this is what we got. I trimmed that lace off a little bit there in the front, and this is it, y'all. Like, these wigs, and I know at this point y'all probably saying, Jessica, we so tired of you and that bow. But at this point, I just need y'all to understand that Nadula hair in these bye-bye knots units, no matter the texture, no matter the length, no matter the color, these are units that you need in your wig arsenal because they are just that bomb. And y'all know I don't get excited about human hair. I get excited every time I order one of these wigs from Nadula Hair. I could never achieve these curls on my own. I could never achieve that plucking on my own. I don't have to do any of that because the wig is gonna come already done. So can I recommend this one? Yes. Just like I recommend all of my units by Nadula Hair. They're just like 10 in the wig world, in my wig world rather. Okay, if you look in the description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig as well as all the details on this baddie, because this is a winner, y'all. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.